Today we're going to cook this chicken. This is authentic kienyeji chicken, and we're going to use coconut. These are the onions, 2 large onions, and this is what is this called? Hoho. Yes. And also we have the garlic here, and we're going to use some pepper. This is also some pepper that we are going to add. So let's get started so that we can finish preparing this delicious coconut chicken. I know I've prepared this coconut chicken in the village, but today I'm going to prepare it in the city as well. So I'm going to add salt, and to pound this as well, I'm going to pound this. Garlic. Hey, this pepper is very pepper. Now this one, I'll add them once this one has boiled together for a while. I think I can just as well cut them in, all of them. This is how our grandmothers used to prepare food. Everything together, everything chopped and put together, and the results, we will wait to see the results. Just prepare all the ingredients and boil them together. My grandmother used to prepare this chicken like this, but now from where I come from, we never used to have the coconut. We don't have coconut in my village, but in my husband's village there is coconut. Yeah, so all the ingredients are in here, so we are going to put on the fire. Now all the ingredients are ready. Everything is here, so we just cover it and let it cook for a while. God. Breaking coconut is usually a science. It's usually a very interesting science. It's usually my husband who breaks this coconut, but today he's not home. So I have no choice but to break the coconut. And the other food is getting ready on the other side. All the ingredients that I have put together is getting ready on the other side. Now I have to crack this thing open. To break it off camera because it was too loud. Now this is the flesh of the coconut. You're going to remove the flesh of the coconut, and then you're going to use it to make the coconut chicken. So we have to break the other coconut as well, this one. This is the second coconut that you're going to break. I hope this other part will not. This was easy. This is the flesh of the second coconut. So we are going to this one. This one is indeed a science. Oh, that was a quick success. That was a quick success. Wow. Oops. Successful. So since we don't have what we use to create this, we're going to blend it. We're going to blend it. Sidi, Sidi, toka hapo. Aya, go to the sitting room. I'll call you. Yes. Yes, I'm going to call you to eat.
Okay. And give me this. What's happening in this, Mommy? Got a...
We're making coconut milk. This is the first coconut milk that we are going to use. So we are done with the first chewy, the first coconut milk, which is always thick. And then now we are going to make the second one. These were 2 large coconuts. Now let me get a place to put it. It's done. So this is the first coconut milk. As you can see, it is very thick. And then this is the second coconut milk. I think now this is not so thick, but we'll start by using this one first. And let's check if the food is ready this other side. Ooh. Yes, Mama. So I'm going to add the first chewy. This is the first chewy. I'm going to add it. And then we will let it cook, and then we will add the second one. But for now, that's it. So we'll add the second chewy, the second coconut milk, so that now it can get cooked slowly. I think it's not yet ready, so I think I'll have to let the water reduce a bit, and then you can add this second chewy that is here. Or I can just add it. I can just add it and let it cook together. Sorry. And now we will cover it and let it cook. Ooh. You can enjoy this soup with the ugali, or you can enjoy it with the rice. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, please like and comment and let me know if this is something that you can try.